Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mente Genius. This is Rajni and friends. If you are new over here, so please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can easily get notification when I upload my videos on my channel. Friends, in today's video, I am going to talk about the linear equation, which is the chapter number 2 in class 8. Okay, now, so without any further delay, let us get into the video. What we will learn here, we will learn here linear equation. We'll just discuss what is the meaning of linear and what is the meaning of equation. Then we will solve these questions after learning some rules. Okay, coming on to the meaning of linear. What is linear? Linear means having degree 1, means maximum power of variable will be equal to 1, and equation means in which the variable like this, like expression, will be equal to 0. Okay, now let us solve these questions. Before solving these questions, we need to learn what is transposition, how we will solve this question. When we will do transposing, we need to know some rules of transposition, means which are: transposition means changing the side, moving the term to the other side. Whenever we will move a term with negative sign, its sign will be changed to positive sign, and if it is positive already, then we will change its sign to the negative. If it is multiplied by x or some other variable, it will other side of it is the sign to the multiplication. Okay, let us learn how we will apply these rules. This is so much easy, believe me, and just keep watching. Okay, let us solve question number 1, which is minus 2 is equal to 7, which is question number 1. Okay, now what we will do, we will just keep here, it is the variable, just keep it in that place. Okay, now equal to sign will be in its place, 7 will be in its place. We need to transpose this term minus 2 to where, to the sign of equal to, so that we can have the value of x. Okay, now what you will do, this is negative, and according to the rule of transposition, what we have learned, that negative sign will be converted to positive one. Now this will be converted to plus 2. X we will have is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and this is your answer. So simple it is. Now let us move to the second question, which is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Second part is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Here we are going to move the term which is along with y. Okay, now my plus 3 will be converted to minus 3. When we will move this term, this will become 7. So here we are having the value for y is equal to 7. Now let us solve. We have done question number 1 and question number 2 already. Now we are going to discuss question number 3. 6 is equal to 6 is 2. Guys, please pause the video and try to do this question by yourself. I think you can do it now. Only a practice makes a man perfect. So we are not going to move this term z. It's the variable here. Here 6 will be its side. जो हमें variable के साथ term है ना, उसको move करना है. We have to move the term which is along with the variable. Okay, now it is positive 2 will become negative 2 according to the rules. So 4 will be the value of z, variable z here. Now third question is also done. We are going to discuss question number 4. So much easy, but students always find it difficult because they do not concentrate on the trick we can use. X is equal to this constant value will be on its side, this variable will be on its side. What we need to move, only one term which is along with x variable. Okay, it will be converted to negative 3 by 7. Okay, now we will have its LCM. 17 minus 3 by 7, we will have its value as 14 by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So 2 will be the value for this x variable. Okay, now question number 5, which is very simple. 6. What is the relation between 6 and x. It is the multiplication here, and according to our rules, whenever there is multiplication, we will convert it in division. Okay, now what we will do, x will be the same, 12 will be the same. We are to move the term which is along with variable. Here what is the relation? This is the relation of multiplication, will be converted to the division. Okay, now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Again we are having x is equal to 2. This is so simple. Now question number 6 we are going to discuss. t by 5 is equal to 10, is equal to 10. आप क्या करेंगे? What you will do? Keep the variable t, keep this constant as it is. Now just move. What is the relation between this variable and that term? There is the division, and according to our rules, division will be converted to multiplication. So we will multiply this 5 by the term which is already here. T is equal to 50. Now I think this is very clear to you. No confusion is there. So some tips and tricks also at the end of video. So keep watching. Now, what we will do first, we will just move this 3 to the other side. Now, I think you can understand it. Now, in the next step, what we will do, we will just keep on x, keep on all the term. And now, what is 2 will be in division. I think you can understand it now. 2 ones are 2, 2 times are 9. Okay. So, x will have the value is equal to 27, which is 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Okay. Now, let us discuss question number 8. Before I am doing the questions, please pause the video and try to do these questions by yourself. I think you can do it now. Okay. So, just try it on by yourself. Then watch its solution. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to solve these questions at the end of the video. So keep watching. Your next question is 8th 1.5. This is a question number 8. Okay. Now what you will do? So simple to do it. 1.6 times 1.5 will give you the value for y. It will be equal to, keep decimal, 1 place, 2 place, 2 places. Just put on decimal after leaving 2 places. Question. Without wasting any time, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. This is so simple, you can do it. Move this minus 9 will be converted to positive 9. So 7x will be equal to 25. So x will be equal to 25 by 7, which is the value for x. Now, solution will be like 14y is equal to 13, and we will transpose it. I think you have learned these tricks. Now what we will do? We will just move 14. We will cancel it, 7 2 ja, 7 3 ja. So again we are having the value of y is equal to 3 by 2. Now coming on to the question number 11. 6p will be as it is 9, and you will move this down. 9 minus 17 will give you minus 8. So p will be equal to minus 8 by 6. So we will cancel it by the table of 2, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. So we are having the value p is equal to negative. Don't forget the negative sign. Okay. Now question number, last and final question. Just keep smiling. X by 3. We have done all the exercise. We have completed. Okay. X by 3 plus 1. We are going to discuss some tips and tricks also. 15. Okay. We are going to solve it. Just keep that 7 by 15 minus 1, which will give us 7 minus 15 by 15. Here, how I am solving the fractions, you can visit my channel. The link, you will get the link in my description box. That is x by 3. So we will, this is division here. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. So minus 8 by 5 will be your final answer. Okay. Now, it is the turn. We have completed all the exercise. Now, it is the turn to discuss the tips and tricks. Linear equations is of degree 1. Okay. And to solve this, we will follow these rules: negative to positive, positive to negative, multiplication to division, and division to multiplication. Now, first, what we have to do, we have to just keep the variable on the one side, and we have to move the things on the other side. Okay, other things like if you are to clean that table where a red thing, some red circles, some blue circles, some green circles, but you want to keep only that purple circle. Okay, what you will do? You will just first erase red ones, है ना? You will first erase red ones, then you will erase the blue ones, है ना? And then you will also erase the green ones. Means to keep one thing, to find the value of x, we have cleaned all the other things from here. Same way, while solving these linear equations, what you will do, just keep the variables at one side, move the next term to the other side. Only that trick will work to complete. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.